Okay, this is, what is today? Sunday. It's about 1:30 or so. These are just coming down Brandywine, coming to Chicago. And I'll make sure my language is better this time. Okay, we're coming down Michigan Street. It's about, there's quite a bit of water there.
Monitor 9, you can raise CR40, advise if I'm needed, at 1020 or back at Causeway.
Okay, here's Diane's house, and we're on the bayou again. Oh, Diane's house is even all underwater.
Motor 3, did you already eat? That's 1040.
That's my neighbor.
01 Mallory.
That's my house here at the end.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, and Teresa's house is under. Oh, Teresa's. Now hers never was flooded like that before. Okay. This is Grandpa's car is underwater. Well, almost. I mean, it's. Oh, there's the oak tree. It got trimmed a lot. I mean, God, it looks like a stick.
Is your dad here?
Downstairs, I know you can't, you can probably slosh it. It comes up about, it's above where the baseboards was. It's not up to the light, so I mean, that's good. I wonder if I can get this here, if I can show you. Okay, where is it? Right there. There's the dog bowl, and it's floating. Oh, shit. Oops, I wasn't going to cuss this time. Yep. All right, let me see if I have some light. Oh, honey, what are you doing down here? Oh, you poor thing. They left you downstairs? You can see, I don't know if you can see very well here, but there's the water.
It's just an inch or two higher than it is now. See it?
So it's going down some.
Well, yeah, but I mean, it didn't go any higher at least. Oh, this wallboard was good.
Okay, I'll go in the back room here. Again, it's, on the chair. I don't care about the chair. Oh, and this time we didn't put the fireplace up, but, oh, the desk. That old desk I like, but, oh, that was smart, Jane. Put the doors down there, okay. Good thing we lifted, where'd those pictures go? That, I don't know where you put those pictures, but there they are. It's a good thing you lifted them up. And there is the sandbags, didn't help a bit. See through the window here is, I don't know, the deck is covered. Well, Roger, those extra shock things I put in really helped. Holy crap. The deck is totally underwater. Okay. It's so dark in here. You can see, let's see if you can see the water line, even on the wall here. And now I'm upstairs. Oh, this is Pete. He's one of our volunteers. He came out to help us. Say hi, Pete.
Hi.
All right, that's the backyard. There's the shed. There's your garden.
Right here?
Yeah, it's back there is their pond, and you can't see it.
They have a big pond now.
Yep.
That's a big piece.
It's a fence line. That fence line is really low. I don't know if the more shingles probably came off. Oh, they lost their porch. They lost their spring porch.
Oh, yeah.